Levoit produces some excellent air purifiers that are easy to maintain. However, there's a popular red light question that bothers many consumers, and in this video, I'll explain what it is and whether you should be worried about it or not. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. In most cases, the red light is a filter reset indicator which functions as a reminder to replace the old filter. It's an icon of the filter and is located somewhere on the control panel. When it's time to replace the filter, the indicator light will turn red and remain so until you reset the filter reset indicator. It's important to remember that you must replace the old filter before resetting this indicator. I have explained this procedure in many videos available on this channel. However, if you prefer reading over watching videos, you can visit purifiers for more information on filter replacement. After you have replaced the filter, the red light won't turn off by itself. You must reset it manually. If your Levoit model is a smart one, you can easily reset the indicator through the VSync Smart app. Otherwise, you need to hold your finger on the filter reset button, the power button, or sometimes the sleep mode button for 3 to 5 seconds. That's the entire procedure for resetting the famous red light. The filter replacement procedure is similar for every Levoit air purifier, but resetting the indicator procedure varies for some models. In the case of the Levoit LV-H128, you need to turn the air purifier off and then hold your finger on the power button for 3 seconds to properly reset the filter reset light. The filter reset procedure for the Levoit LV-PUR131 is a bit more complicated than the other models. To reset the filter properly, you must insert a small needle into a hole on the side of the device and hold it there until the filter reset indicator resets. You can find a more detailed explanation of how to reset the red light on different Levoit air purifiers at purifiers.com. As explained in the video, the red light usually indicates that it's time to replace your old filter. However, I recommend double-checking your filter, as sometimes this indicator may activate by mistake, and it might not actually be time to replace it. In that case, I suggest resetting the filter reset indicator without changing the old filter. All in all, the red light on your Levoit isn't a sign of any issue, it's simply a notification that it's time to replace the old filter. If you have any questions about resetting the Levoit air purifier red light, please leave a comment below the video. You can find all the necessary links in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That's it for now.